Idea. To be or not to be? That is the question. Well, I'll give you the answers with loads of tips on which pencils to use. To be or not to be? Now, don't worry, I'm not about to go off on a Shakespeare recital. I'm talking to be or not to be. Or maybe even to H, or even HB. You know, pencils. Most pencils have an H or B printed at the end of them to tell you what type they are. In fact, this set ranges from 6H to 6B. So, OK, which one do you choose? Well, it depends what you want to draw. For an H pencil, think hard tip. H is for hard. So the more H, 2H, 4H, 6H, the harder the tip. And this hard tip gives you a fine, precise line, which is perfect for technical drawings. In fact, it's perfect for your schoolwork. So, an H pencil is a hard, fine line. A B pencil is a different beast. Think B for black or B for bold. The more B, 2B, 4B, 6B, the more blacker and bolder the line is. See this? Look at that. Real black, bold line. And also think B is for blend. Watch this. You can actually smudge the line very easily with your finger to help with that shading effect. Not so good for schoolwork though, as it can get smudged and messy very easily. But it is perfect for sketching and drawing. I'm going to use a 5B. Watch this. So you've got nice, strong black lines. And I always find with these B pencils, you don't have to be too precise when you're sketching. You can just throw the line on and give it a little smudge here and there. Just blend it a bit, soften it up. So whereas the H is quite hard, the B is actually quite soft. Now, I expect you can tell what it is I'm drawing by now. Just add in some features and some shading down the side of the face and make it nice and fairy. And some fair on the body as well. Again, nice big black lines, very bold and black. B is for bold and black. And of course, B is for blend. So just smudge those lines to blend your shading. And I'm just going to add in the vine that he's swinging from. And this blending or smudging is also a great effect just to hint at backgrounds. See that? Just smudging my finger there and it creates a sort of background in the distance. And there it is. So don't forget, when you're choosing a pencil, H is for hard tip, which is for fine, precise diagrams, and also think H is for homework diagrams, and B is for black, bold and blend, great for sketching. And the most versatile pencil of all? This one, the HB. Not too black, not too hard, not too smudgy, just about right for most things. Try it yourself, experiment with different types of pencils.